Hi everyone, and welcome to Speakyway, the story of learning English. I'm Theo, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're just starting your English journey, this is the perfect place to be. Today, we're going to listen to a wonderful story called The Wise Owl and Timmy. It's about a little rabbit named Timmy who wants to be the fastest in the forest, but learns an important lesson about believing in yourself and using your own strengths. So, let's get started. The Wise Owl and Timmy. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived an owl named Oliver. Oliver was very old and very wise. He had lived in the forest for many years and knew everything about the trees, animals, and even the weather. All the animals in the forest respected Oliver. They came to him whenever they had a problem or needed advice. Every animal knew that Oliver would give them the best advice because he was wise and kind. One sunny day, a little rabbit named Timmy came hopping to Oliver's tree. Timmy was very upset. "Oliver! Oliver!" Timmy shouted. "I need your help." Oliver looked down from his tree and smiled. "What's the matter, Timmy?" he asked in his calm voice. Timmy hopped up to the tree and said, "I want to be the fastest rabbit in the forest, but I'm not fast like the other rabbits. I don't know what to do." Oliver thought for a moment and then said, "Timmy, you are already fast. You just need to believe in yourself." Timmy looked up at Oliver with big eyes. "But how can I be fast like the others? They run so quickly and I can't catch up." Oliver replied, "It's not about being the fastest. It's about using your own strengths and working hard. You can be quick in your own way, Timmy." Timmy didn't understand. "But how will I ever be as fast as them?" Oliver smiled and said, "I will give you a challenge. If you want to be the fastest, you must run from one side of the forest to the other. But you cannot look at the others. You must run at your own speed, and when you reach the end of the forest, you will see who is truly fast." Timmy was excited. He wanted to try the challenge. "Okay, Oliver, I'll do it." So, the next morning, Timmy stood at the start of the forest. The other rabbits were waiting with him, ready to race. Timmy was nervous, but he remembered Oliver's advice. He took a deep breath and began to run. At first, Timmy tried to run fast, just like the other rabbits, but soon he felt tired. He couldn't keep up with them. Then he remembered Oliver's words, "Run at your own speed." So Timmy slowed down and ran at a pace that felt comfortable for him. Timmy kept running, feeling happy and confident. He didn't worry about the other rabbits anymore. He focused on his own path. Finally, after a long time, Timmy reached the end of the forest. He was tired, but he felt proud of himself. To his surprise, he was the first one to reach the finish line. The other rabbits arrived soon after, looking tired and out of breath. They had tried to race too quickly and had worn themselves out. Timmy smiled and said, "I won because I didn't try to be like anyone else. I just ran at my own speed." The other rabbits were amazed. "Timmy, you're right. We were trying too hard to be like others. But you were calm and you believed in yourself." Timmy felt proud, but he also remembered something very important. Oliver was right. It's not about being the fastest. It's about being true to yourself. The other animals in the forest heard about Timmy's victory. They all came to Oliver's tree to thank him for his wise advice. Oliver, you have taught us that we don't need to be like others. We just need to believe in ourselves and be the best we can be. Oliver smiled down at them, his eyes shining with wisdom. You are all special in your own way. Never forget that. From that day on, Timmy was known as the wise rabbit of the forest. He helped other animals believe in themselves and showed them that they could be proud of who they were, no matter how fast or slow they ran. So how did you like the story of Timmy, the rabbit? The big lesson here is that it's not about being the fastest or the best. It's about being true to yourself and going at your own pace. And that's exactly how we should approach learning English, step by step, without comparing ourselves to others. Just like Timmy believed in himself and ran at his own speed, you can believe in yourself too. It's okay to take your time. Everyone learns at their own pace, and that's something to be proud of. So, I want you to think about how you can apply this to your own English learning journey. How can you trust yourself and take your time? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this story and the important lesson it teaches, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Speakyway. I'll be bringing more stories to help you grow in your English skills and stay motivated on your learning journey. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, no matter where you are in your English learning, you're doing amazing. Keep believing in yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.